Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix retargeting ads with perfect audience, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To fix retargeting ads with perfect audience, start by logging into your perfect audience account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Identify the campaign you want to fix from the list of active campaigns. Click on the campaign name to access its settings. Review the performance metrics displayed on the campaign page. Take note of any issues, such as low click-through rates or minimal conversions. Scroll down to the targeting section of the campaign. Ensure that the audience segments you're targeting are correctly defined. If necessary, edit or refine your audience segments. Next, check the ad creatives associated with the campaign. Make sure they are relevant to the audience and visually appealing. If an ad is underperforming, consider replacing it with a new creative. Return to the targeting section and review any exclusion settings. Ensure that you aren't excluding valuable audiences by accident. Once satisfied with the adjustments, preview your changes. Test the ad in real time to see how it appears to users. After confirming everything looks good, save your changes. Finally, monitor the campaign's performance over the next few days to gauge improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.